Hello MacroHard community, welcome back. So for today's accountability report, I've started writing the core contracts for the improved, or you might say generalized version of the protocol. Now this is my third time writing the smart contracts for the core for this protocol, and hopefully it's the final version. So that being said, today I want to discuss with you about identity in a perfectly decentralized system such as a blockchain. So to start with, let's try to think about the concept of identity. So it's pretty intuitive to observe that the concept of identity is linked with the idea of a permissioned and decentralized system. For example, my identity comes from my passport and my driver's license, which is issued to me by the government. However, when a system becomes highly decentralized and permissionless, for example, Ethereum network, then this idea of identity becomes very hard to implement. For instance, Ethereum only cares about accounts, and me personally, I can create thousands or even millions of accounts on Ethereum, therefore creating millions of identities on Ethereum. So this is known as the problem of Sybil attacks, where an individual can create multiple identities and therefore exploit the system. So this problem of Sybil attacks needs to be solved, especially in the protocols where we require one person to represent as one identity. For example, in a voting situation where ideally one person should be given one vote. Now, this problem of Sybil attacks was first solved by the Bitcoin protocol, where it said that one CPU will have one vote. And you all might have heard about the solution, which is very popular and known as proof of work. However, it works well for the Bitcoin protocol, but in other situations where we actually need one person representing one identity, for example, voting for community issues or for resources that are shared by us. Now, in such a problem, we can't apply the solution of proof of work, which says one CPU, one vote, or proof of stake, which says that $1 means one vote, because then individuals get a lot of power. So this problem becomes very important, and so far we do not have a very good solution. The best solution that we have is via reputation. So the idea behind reputation is that as an individual's account interact more with other accounts, then the reputation of that account increases. And the underlying assumption is that an individual, for example me, doesn't matter how many accounts I have, at the end of the day I can only interact with so many other accounts. So therefore my reputation is a limited resource. So this area is under research at the moment, and we might discuss about reputation more in one of the next videos. But this field of research gives hope in solving the problem of Sybil attacks, where we need one individual to represent one identity. So that's all for today. If you find this video helpful and insightful, then press the like button. And if you're new to this community, then subscribe to this channel and become part of MacroHard, where we are building the next economy. So that's all for today. See you tomorrow, and until then, bye-bye.